Hi guys, this time i-discuss na ako ang another example sa frame structures kung saan pag-solve sa support reactions. So we are going to determine the horizontal and vertical components of reactions at the pins A, B, and C of the two-member frame. So this is a two-member frame, member AB and member BC. Again, this is frame structure because ang usa sa member is naka-incline. Then, to solve the reactions, you need to draw the free body diagram. Mo na ang pinakauna nimo imong sa imong solution. Dapat na kay free body diagram para dili ka mag-lisod pag-solve sa mga reactions. So sa imong free body diagram dapat naka-indicate ang mga reactions. So in this figure, in this structure natay unom ka anon. Dua sa A and dua sa B, then dua ka reactions sa C. So 6 unknown forces. Then sa member BC, as you can see, it carries 3 kilonewton per meter within this length 2 meter. So i-convert nimo siya sa concentrated load. So, para may mong concentrated, kuhaan ra nimo ang area, which is the intensity times the distance, 3 times 2. 3 times 2, 6 kilonewton. Then concentrated at the center of the rectangle or uniform load. Then, after that, i-analyze nimo if sufficient ba ang equation of equilibrium to solve these 6 forces, 6 unknowns. To determine, to verify whether it is determinate or indeterminate, just use R equals to 3N. So ang R nimo is number of reactions. So there are 6 reactions. Then number of member, natay 2 ka member, A, B, and BC. So 3 times 2, 6. So therefore, this structure is determinate structure. Determinate. Pag indeterminate, dili ka makasolve using equation of equilibrium. So ang equation of equilibrium nato is summation of moment equals 0, then summation of vertical force is equal 0, then summation of horizontal force is equal 0. So pag determinate, pwede ra nimo gamiton directly ang equation of equilibrium. Then summing up moment at C, again nganong direta mag-start because kaning na member is naka-horizontal. Kung asa tong naka-horizontal, dito ka mag-start. Or asa tong dali ka maka-solve o anon. Kung diri ka sa AB, magdugay man ka maka-solve. Dili preferably nga diri ka mag-start. Kay kung mag-start ka diri, mag-movement ka sa B, na kay duha ka anon, AX and AY. Or mag-movement ka sa A, nagyapon kay anon, BY and BX. So kung diri ka sa BC, which is naka-horizontal dra, makuha dayon nimo si BY. Kay si BX wala may 0 naman eh. Wala ay 0 ang moment arm, wala ay moment arm ay perpendicular distance niya gikan sa C. So si BY lang na perpendicular distance which is 2 meters. To solve BY, just sum up moment at C equals 0 na assume clockwise is positive. So si BY, itulak niya ang member BC pa clockwise. with respect to C. Kung imagine i-hold nimo dire, gunitan nimo si C, then patuyo ko ni BY pa clockwise. Ganun lang, analyze. Then times 2 moment arm, then minus 6. Then ang 6 naka-concentrated sa tunga sa rectangle. So center. So times 1 meter from C equals 0. So By is 3 kilonewton upward. And then, solve nimo si Cy. To solve Cy, just sum up vertical forces. Or pwede ka mag-moment sa B to solve Cy. Para madali, sum up lang nimo ang vertical forces. So, By plus Cy equals 6 kilonewton. Or By plus Cy plus By minus 6 equals 0. Cy is equal to 3 kilonewton upward. Then, since na nakay value sa By, kani, transfer ka dito sa A, sa AB, member AB, para ma-solve nimo si Bx. Mag-moment ka sa A, para ma-solve nimo si Bx. Si By, known naman. Take note, ang direction sa By dira sa PCAS is upward. Then, dapat dira sa PCAS, downward na. Action, then reaction. Moment ka sa A, si Bx, solve nimo si Bx. So Bx times 1.5. Kanang 1.5, muna siya ang perpendicular distance gikan sa A to B. So dapat ang force o ang distance or moment arm perpendicular na siya. Ano siya? Minus 3 times 2. Asa man 3? Kaning By. 3 kilonewton man yung By. Times 2. Perpendicular distance niya, 2 meters. And then, minus 8 times 2. So 8 kilonewton. Pag gunitan niya mo sa A, patuyo ko niya ang member pa clockwise. So, nag-assume man ta nga ang counterclockwise positive, so ang clockwise negative. Then ang perpendicular distance sa 8 kilonewton gikan sa A is 2 meters. Then equals 0. Bx is 14.7 kilonewton. To the left. Positive man ang ilabas. So, tama niya itong assumption. Then, Ay na po. Solve na to si Ay. To solve Ay, para madali, sum up vertical forces lang equals 0. So, si Ay, positive kay upward. I-assume na to na ang upward na force is positive. Then minus By. Then kani, kuha na to ang Y component niya or vertical component. Ang vertical component ni 8 is 8 times 4 over 5 or 8 sin theta. Ang sin theta 4 over 5. Ano siya? Dara. Ay minus 4 over 5 times 8 minus 3 equals 0. So Ay from this equation is 9.4 kilonewton upward. Then napay isa ka anon sa member B si AB si Ax. So to solve Ax, just sum up horizontal force is equal 0. Then assume ang force going to the right positive. So positive Ax plus kani positive ani. Ang component ani, x component ani is 8 kilonewton times 3 over 5 or 8 kilonewton cos theta. Ang cos theta is 3 over 5. Positive kay going to the right ang x component niya. Positive. Minus sa bx, ang value sa bx is 14.7. Minus siya kay tungod na going to the left man ang bx. So, ax is now equal to 9.87 kilonewton. To the right, directed to the right. Then, napatay sa ka anon, wala na solve. Si cx. Solve na to si cx. Just sum up moment, horizontal forces equals 0. Px is just equal to cx. Kung tanaw nimo. Kaya duwara man ka horizontal dito sa member BC. So, Bx equal to Cx. Pila ang Bx is si Bx is 14.7 and Cx is also 14.7. Directed to the left. That's all. Thank you for watching.